Hey Sham, are the other restaurants my competition or not? And this is what we're going to answer in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Hello everybody, my name is Sham, known in the industry as the responsible restaurant owner. And since 2008, I've been helping restaurants open and run their first successful operations, and I'm now sharing the knowledge with the world. So are the other restaurants your competition? And the answer is no. We are in the same grind, we are in the same business. Different restaurants have different concepts, and chances are if you are in a certain area region, there is not that many other restaurants that have your same concept, meaning that your main challenge is to get people into that area. When people go visit other restaurants, they're looking and paying attention to yours, and they are like, hey, guess what, maybe we will go and check out that restaurant next time. So be friend with the other restaurant owners, be kind to them, offer them, for example, tell them, hey, if anything goes wrong inside your restaurant and maybe you need that deep fryer, we need salt or anything, I'm here to catch your back. Introduce yourself when you come inside the new market. Go and shake hands with all the different restaurant owners, have conversation, invite them for a cup of coffee. If they have the time, they will be more than glad to sit down with you and share with you some of their experiences. And guess what? In this page, we would love to hear about that. So if you learned something by meeting other restaurant owners, please put it on the comment section below. I always like to say that other restaurant owners have always been an amazing source for me to actually find my employees. Sometimes things get slow and the restaurant does not want to lose a good employee, so they will refer them to actually come and work for you at your restaurants, and we end up exchanging employees and increasing retention doing just that. Also, the advertising that they're going to do to bring people to their restaurant is going to benefit you, as I said already. Little nuggets of information, something that has worked amazingly well. Do organize a restaurant crawl, meaning make alliance with 3 or 4 restaurants in your area and prepare some kind of maybe small bite menu and make a buzz about it. Reach out to your local newspaper and call it maybe Restaurant Unites for whatever name of the neighborhood. People in the neighborhood will get excited to see a collaboration between different restaurant owners. We are in a business where we're actually losing a lot of exposure to the big chains and big restaurants. Guess what? Because they have more money, but we have a spirit of community that the big chains do not have, and we can increase retention and have the support of the community if you initiate alternatives like that. How do you do it? Very simple. You go to the restaurant owners and say, hey, I want to do a restaurant crawl. Are you in or are you out? So they're going to say, well, what is it? Well, we put, for example, a $5 or $6. Literally, this is just something that you're willing to give away for free for people to come and try us out. And they will go and walk in 5 or 6 restaurants, and hopefully they will end up choosing one of them to come and have a full-blown dinner. And the first year it may not be that active, but the second year it will get better, the third year. And I have seen restaurant crawls, I've been part of them. When we started being 3 or 4 restaurants, and within 4 or 5 years we end up having 50, 60 different restaurants participating. It's also called Restaurant Week or whatnot. So are other restaurants your competition? No, they are not. We're in the same trenches, we're helping each other. As restaurants professionals, I think we have done a very bad job at promoting the restaurant business as an attractive career, and I am here to change just that. Please join me on the Responsible Restaurant Owner channel, subscribe, comment, and remember the secret ingredient.